Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we're going to practice 20 super common English responses that native speakers use every single day. These are short, natural, and perfect for sounding fluent in real conversations. So relax, take a breath, and repeat after me. 1. Sounds good. Use this when you agree to a plan. Let's meet at 5. Sounds good. 2. I'm on my way. Say this when you're already heading somewhere. I'm on my way. 3. Take your time. Use this when you want someone to relax and not rush. Take your time. 4. No worries. A friendly way to say, it's okay. No worries. 5. I'm not sure. Say this when you don't know the answer. I'm not sure. 6. Let me check. Use this when you need to look something up. Let me check. 7. Here you go. Say this when giving something to someone. Here you go. 8. I get it. Use this when you finally understand. I get it. 9. I don't get it. Say this when you're close to arriving. I'm almost there. 19. Let's do it. A motivated, energetic response. Let's do it. 20. It's up to you. Say this when you want the other person to decide. It's up to you.
Great job today! These simple responses make your English sound smooth, natural, and confident. Keep repeating them, use them in real conversations, and you'll feel more fluent every day.